everybody, it's early here in the Carpizzo kitchen, and this morning I'm making Anthony some basted eggs. So take a quick look and watch how we do an easy peasy way to make basted eggs. So take a look. I've got the pan heated up. Put whatever fat you like in there for this. I sprayed it with olive oil since we are saturated fat conscious in our home. Then you take your eggs that you've already cracked and into the pan they go. Make sure you have a hot pan. Okay, now what you do is take just a little water, a few drops of water around the outside edge, around the outside edge, around the outside edge, a few drops of water, and then put your lid on the pan. Leave it on high. Leave it on high. We're cooking the eggs. We're cooking the eggs. And while the eggs are cooking, please remember to subscribe,